Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about this folding door. We are going to show this folding door, how to create it in Revit architecture. Okay, so you see that when just select the door, we can change the height and width, and also open this folding door by angle parameter. You can see just open panel. When I put down in panel open parameter, suppose say 45 degree, folding panel usually open, and then 90 degree panel is totally open. Okay, and then now again 45 0. When put down this 0, panel is closed. Okay, so and also we can change this size. Go to create, just shrink this size, this type properties pop-up window. You see when I change this height, suppose say 8 feet, and then apply. Height also change, and also and then when I change this 5 feet, width also will be changed. Sometimes it will take time depending on your computer configuration. So let's do it. How to create this folding door in Revit. I just closed this file. Yeah. So first we go to new in families, then open this door template, then open, and here is the common parameter in every door template. We don't need this template, so this parameter just select, then delete, and also this default frame, we don't need this frame, just delete it, select, just delete. And also going to some parameter, delete in family type, go to family types button in tool ribbon bar, tool this modify ribbon, and just here we see this parameter. We don't need this parameter, so just select it, and in this family type pop-up window, in down in bottom side, we see some symbol. Here is this parameter. We can delete this portion, delete this parameter. First of all, select this parameter and then delete. Okay, yeah. Then frame projection, then delete. We don't need this parameter. Just select and delete. Okay. So then okay. So then we need to door width. We need to door width, create this space, this area, and width must be, and so just change this door width say 6 feet, apply, and just resize this reference plane. Just stretch this reference plane in both sides. Okay, let's select the reference plane and stretch, drag this point, and also the center reference plane, drag this both sides. Just unpin this reference plane and click the drag the point in reference plane. So now we create some reference plane first. Actually, there is a main. We create a main frame. Okay, which is when we in there's the folding panel. We already know that there is a main frame set in wall, which is I just quickly sketch in snipping tool. Okay, it just the main frame is set in this position. Okay, this position and this position in plan. We see in plan and this position, and other side set this door frame. Okay, and we create some reference plane this side and this side, and also create in elevation their upper side to create a reference plane. When we place this door, this is suppose they say this is the folding panel. Okay, in the folding panel, just set this point, this folding panel. We can easily operate this folding panel. Okay. So let's close this stepping tool.
Now we're going to create a reference plane. So go to elevation, select create, and then select the reference line. So just draw a reference line. Sorry, it's not a reference line. We create a reference plane, RP. Press RP. In upper side to door frame, create a reference line. There are two vertical and horizontal reference line. Then create a dimension for create a parameter. Click dimension, then create a parameter there. One dimension, there other side, create a dimension. Then select a dimension for this parameter and dimension create for a door frame. Okay, so select this dimension and create a door parameter. Suppose say frame width. frame width. Just leave it type and OK. Say it parameter change to 2 inch. Then go to in menu bar, create, then select sweep, sketch path, and select this rectangle. Create a rectangle and lock it and 3 side with reference plane. Okay, bottom line will not be locked. Then the select and delete. Then finish and go to edit profile and go to the elevation, left elevation, open view, and draw a profile on this reference plane and just lock it with reference plane. AL align, then align locked, then after that AL align, select the reference line, reference plane, then this line and locked. Select the reference plane and select the line, align this line, then locked. Okay, then finish and finish. So go to 3D view. Here we created a door frame, then apply a material parameter in this door frame. We will apply this material parameter. So just select the door frame, then material, click the material in properties, just click this button, 3 dot. Okay, not this 3 dot, in beside this 3 dot another button, associate family parameter, just click it and create a frame just name frame and just leave it for type and OK, then OK. Now we go to plan and create a reference line, create reference line. Oh, by the way, before create a reference line, we just select the door frame and just hide it in keyboard shortcut key is H. So then after that create a reference line and draw this vertical and horizontal cross intersection point, then click it and draw a reference line. After that we have to lock this reference line on these two reference plane, this intersection point. So align, we have to align this intersection point. So AL, first vertical reference plane select, then just intersection point cursor on just place the cursor on intersection point, then press tab. We will see a blue colored dot will show and just click it. Then this reference line lock this vertical reference plane. Same way, just tap, press, then select reference plane and tap again and just click it. Okay, locked. Then we will create a length panel length. Just click it, just select the dimension. When just select this reference line and select there is a little dimension symbol, make this temporary dimension and permanent. So just click it and after that the dimension will placed on this reference plane and just select the dimension and click and create a parameter, say panel length, and okay. Now create a angular parameter, select a reference plane and then reference line. Just select the reference angle, say open, parameter name, then it could be instance parameter. Okay, it can be instance parameter. Now create set work plane, pick a plane, then this reference plane in reference line, just pick the reference plane. Now we create reference line on reference line, and opposite side, just place the opposite side another reference line. Okay, this reference line have to be associated in work plane, edit work plane, pick a plane, just pick the reference plane in reference line. Now another line will be created, CS, then create a dimension, DI, this line to this line, and set the parameter thickness. Then trim this line, TR, line to this line, to this line. Okay, now we will create another some reference line. So for now, just select the dimension and this reference line and temporary height, double H, and create set work plane, pick a plane, just pick the line and reference plane and draw a reference line. Okay, now we will see there are another reference line created, and just select the reference line and this click on this make temporary dimension and make a permanent. Select the dimension and associate to panel length. Then create a angular dimension, select the dimension, angular dimension, and create a say parameter, right angle, say instance. Now just these two reference line, we have to lock this point, which is just first of all this reference, the point of this reference line lock should be in this reference line. Okay, so first align, select this reference line and just click the point and lock it. Now move this reference line MV, just move it and create a dimension DI, and just press the tab on this point, click, and another this reference line, click this point, just tap, hit the tab button and click it. Okay, now this reference, just select the reference line and select the dimension and make it 0. Now then just zero, select the zero dimension and just lock it. Then HR unhide this reference line and dimension. Now select this dimension and just hide it. Also select this dimension and this reference line also hide for temporary, and also this reference line HH. Just create, set, pick a plane, now select this dimension and this dimension and this line and this line, then hit and hide this dimension and line for temporary, double H. Also this dimension, double H, hide this dimension. Now create set work plane, pick a plane, just click it on this reference line, select the reference, create a reference line and draw it, the one reference line, and set, pick a plane, just click it and select the reference line. Now create another reference parallel to this reference line, set, pick a plane, create a reference line, just draw a reference line to this parallel and create a dimension, this line to this line. Okay, so select the dimension and associate, apply this parameter thickness. Now trim this reference line, TR, this line and this line. Okay, and H. So same process, we will also another panel, HR. Okay, just check this dimension, select the family types and see is 30 degree and apply. Okay, there is a problem with that. Problem means actually we have to create a formula for this angle, because this angle is 45 degree and this should be 90 degree, and this angle is also be 90 degree, sorry, 45 degree, which is in right angle formula is 180 minus open multiplied 2. This should be a formula of this for this angle, and now we can change this angle 30. So panel, the reference plane of this panel should be changed in right way. Now we have to create a last panel, reference line, more reference line for last panel. Actually there is planning for the 3 panel. You have to create a 3 panel for this door. Just select the dimension and this line, and also this line HH. So create set work plane, just pick a plane, select reference line, and just draw a reference line. Now select the reference line and this temporary dimension to make a permanent dimension, and select the dimension and select to apply panel height, panel length. And also create a angular dimension this line to this line, and create an angular dimension and assign to right angle. Now lock this point AL, align this line to tab, then click it, then lock it. Now just this line, reference line, just select and move this point, and create a dimension this point, tab this point. Now just select the reference line and click the dimension and create a 0, enter. Now select the dimension and just lock it. So then unhide all this line and dimension, and just select this dimension and this dimension, and also this reference line, and hide this dimension and reference line HH. Then select, then create a set work plane, pick a plane, then this set this reference plane of this line. Now click the create a reference line and draw this reference plane. Okay, this reference plane should be associated this reference on this reference line. Pick a plane, pick, and also this should be associate this reference line. Pick a plane with reference line. Now another reference line will be create CS, and now create a thickness DI, assign the dimension, just select it and apply this thickness, then trim this reference line DR and to this line. Okay, then unhide all this line and dimension HR. Now just check the rotation angle and thickness of this folding reference plane, reference line. Just check it out, 10 degree, apply. One thing should be we have to create, which is another parameter with no, not another parameter. Open the family types, right angle, panel length. In panel length, create a formula, width minus actually say inner width. Did we create any inner width formula? Oh, we have to create an inner width formula, which is actually we can create inner width formula, or we can apply this formula in panel length, which is bracket width minus bracket frame width multiply 2, then bracket, this is the inner width, and also bracket divided by 3, and then apply. And now if we create set a 0, the panel should be set in inner width area, inner width length, inner width section. Now we create a 45, set the 45. Reference plane also move easily, and thickness, apply thickness 1 inch, all okay, 5 feet to 6 feet, then apply, all okay, then okay. We also create a panel which is not in this file. We have to create a panel in another file, so just open the another file, that this interior elevation. Just close this tab, new, and select the generic model, open. Okay, now create a reference plane RP, this one, and vertical this one, and create a dimension this side, and also this horizontal this side, and name it, say panel, which panel length, open, and just another dimension, to create a dimension, panel thickness, then okay. Now select a menu bar, create, then select create, then create extrude, pick the extrusion, select rectangle, just draw a rectangle on this reference plane, then lock it. Okay, and then finish. Then go to elevation, create a reference plane, then set that dimension, and create a parameter. Let's say panel height, let's just leave it for type, then okay, and log this geometry of this reference plane and this reference level, I just resize this panel, say 2 inch, and say 2 feet. Now set the material parameter and click it, say panel. Okay, the panel was already created. Then load this file into folding door file. Load into project. Then load this area. Now before the load this area, there is one thing we've forgotten. This panel and the work plane base should be tick mark and always vertical. Just untick this always vertical portion. Now load again, override this existing view. Now create component, select the component and place on work plane. Now how to place this object in this reference line. Now place plane, just pick a plane, just pick this pick a plane on this reference line. Now just place on this line this object and just press the space bar key on site, and also place on work plane, pick a plane, just pick the reference plane, then space bar, then place it. Okay, again pick a plane, just pick this reference plane on this reference line, then place on this reference line this panel, then hit that space bar key, then click it. Okay, and now this panel, just select this panel and go to edit type, and this parameter associate in this door family panel should be transfer this parameter transfer of this door family. So panel length should be panel length is go to for panel length, and panel thickness for just select the panel thickness, then and also panel height. Just leave it for now and apply. Okay, now this panel lock this reference line. First of all, first panel select, first align it, align, select and locked. Just select, oops, just AL, align and locked. Same system, same process. Just select it and lock it, select it and lock. Just select the align this reference line, and this select align this geometry, this panel, and lock it this line to of this panel line, then lock it. Go to 3D view, you will see the panel already placed on this reference line. Now just check the dimension 45 to 30, apply. Okay, nice. 0, closed, 30, 45, apply. Okay, 90, open, full open. Okay, 45. Frame width is 1 inch, then apply. Okay, thickness just say 2 inch. Okay, then width 5 feet, apply. Okay, and now we have one parameter we have to create for one parameter, which is inner height. Inner height, and just leave for type parameter. Okay, then just write this parameter, say height minus say frame, sorry, frame width. Okay, just create a formula, this inner height parameter. Okay, just select this panel and associate this inner height parameter to this inner height parameter. This panel, click this button and select the inner height, then okay, so panel, we see the panel apply this associate this inner height parameter. Now this door family, apply a project, we have to apply a project, then open the new project, architectural template. Okay, create a wall, then this door family have to be open, load this project, just click it and we see when I just in 3D view, we will see this panel already created, door panel, folding door, and just select the door panel and open, just close this door, and also just select and open 45 and also 90. That's how we create a folding door in door template family. In next video we will for this, now we will not go for louver type or glass type in how to create in glass, set a glass panel or louver panel in this solid folding door panel. We will set a just solid panel set in this folding door family. We will talking about in next video for how to create a glass panel in this solid in this panel or a louver panel. Okay, so that's it. We will see in next video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.